Hey guys, it's Kristen with ICStarsQuilting.com. Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's so good to be here today. I have a super fun unboxing to share with you today, and I am really excited to open and get into this box because it's a different shape than the boxes that I normally get from Creative Notion. So I'm kind of curious if they're playing with the new box size or if there's something new and exciting in here. I didn't go through this box beforehand. I have done unboxings in the past where I totally peeked beforehand so I could have a good idea of what I'm getting into to show you, but I didn't peek inside this one. Quick update, if you saw the last video that I posted, I dislocated my shoulder. I hurt it pretty bad, and I am currently right now awaiting a surgery date to go in and get everything fixed. I have been cleared to kind of move things around a little bit, but I'm not back to sewing yet. So please continue to keep me in your thoughts. I appreciate the kind words. It really means a lot to me. Okay, let's get into Creative Notion's box for today. This is the May 2022 box. And here it is. Beautiful tissue paper. Lots of fun things in here. Look how beautiful. Oh, I love that. I love that so much. So here's the 2022 box from Creative Notions. As always, there's fabric in here. This is what's inside the box, okay? So we get 8 fat quarters, we get a nice big ruler, a seam roller, gosh, all kinds of good things in here. Look at this. Okay, the total bag value is $81. Now I know I could show you the list of the things that's included in this box, but you actually want to see the things in the box, right? Because these boxes are completely packed with value and words on a page mean nothing. You need to see the stuff, right? Okay, so here is the pattern that is included. And what I love about these boxes, and I'm gonna say it again because I really do, I love these boxes. So here is the pattern, here is the fabric. Do you see how easy it is for like brand new quilters or people who have a hard time matching fabric? I know you exist out there. I know that it is a struggle sometimes, okay? You can see this, go, oh, I love this, and boom, here is your fabric to make this project right here. So you get this pattern, you get the fabric that goes along with it, and this is a monkey wrench block, and the quilt itself finishes out at 62.5 by 86.5. So it's a big quilt. It's a really nice size quilt. We also got a guide here that has holes punched on the side. So if you get this box continually, you will have an arsenal of amazing quilting tips, tricks, patterns. You'll have so many good things in your possession to help you on your quilt journey, right? This guide right here is for half square triangles and hourglass units. Easy ways and tips and tricks to do that. You know I love my tips and tricks, right? You know I love my tips and tricks. And these are very clear. The instructions on here are very helpful, and they also make it very easy to understand. We got another pattern option in this box, and that is this right here. Look how gorgeous these Starburst Quilt wall hangings are. We also got an option for a table runner. That's just the patterns. Now I'm going to get to the other good stuff. So we got a seam roller. These are really handy, okay? If you get tired of like finger pressing on your seams, these work a lot faster and a lot more efficient than finger pressing your seams, okay? If you don't want to get to your iron every single time you sew a seam, seam rollers are really helpful. And all it does is just really press that seam, and you just roll it over your seam, and it makes it nice and flat. Not quite as good as your iron, but still pretty good. We got an extra pack of needles in this box, which always need needles, right? Quick tip here, the lifetime of a needle on your sewing machine is about 10 to 12 hours, okay? if that's too hard to keep up with, change it every time you start a quilt project, okay? Every time, if you have a lot of piecing to do, I usually change my needle at the beginning of the piecing, and then I change it again when I do the quilting, because you don't want to be doing quilting on your machine with a dull needle. You want a nice, sharp, good, strong needle. So I always keep a whole bunch of these on hand, and these will get used a lot. We got a fun recipe card for pineapple cake. These recipes are submitted by subscribers to these boxes, so a little connection with your other quilting people, right? Something to add to your quilting snack drawer. Always good. And then I have a feeling what this is. Oh yes. Another amazing ruler from Creative Notions. This one is one that I don't have, and I'm excited to have this one because it goes with this Starburst pattern. How awesome is this ruler to have exact measurements every single time? So using a specific custom ruler like this, it's going to give you precise cutting, precise piecing, and you're going to come out with an overall better quality project. So I am very excited because normally projects like this right here, which I've made table runners like this before, they're usually just kind of free-handed and hope for the best. You know, they're not 100% perfect, but nobody knows that but me, right? This is going to actually get them to that 100% perfect, and it's going to be absolutely wonderful to use. So it is a 15-degree 12.5-inch ruler, and with these rulers right here, they have like a non-slip on the back of the rulers, and then the front of the rulers are very nice and crystal clear to see through. So excited about that. This is a really good one. Let's do one more look at the actual fabric that we got this time, which is by Shelly Kavana for Benertex Fabrics. These are really beautiful jewel tone fabrics. I love that teal and blues mixed with that really beautiful ruby color and some nice navies and greens in there. Even that really sunshiny yellow color. These are lovely. These are going to make a really, really pretty quilt. Now I'm going to have to decide which one of these patterns I want to make and use this for. Do I want to do the full quilt, or do I want to do the table runner, or do I want to do the wall hanging with my new ruler? I don't know. We'll just have to see. I hope that you enjoyed that look at the May 2022 box for Creative Notions. If you want to subscribe to this box, I highly, highly recommend them. All of their boxes are quality, good stuff that I continue to use in my sewing room all the time. Well, all the time when I don't have a short shoulder and I can actually sew. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box down below to their website so that you can subscribe to this box. I'm also going to leave a link to their YouTube channel because there's some really good gems on there to follow. For more tips, tricks, and tutorials for the modern quilter, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also down below this video to subscribe to my channel. I share new videos every single week. I do have some more videos coming in the next couple weeks that will hopefully get me through the surgery recovery period for my shoulder. If you have any questions, I'm going to be checking my email and I will get back to you. Again, thank you so much for the kind words. I really appreciate it. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. I'm Kristen with ICStarsQuilting.com.